Hey everyone, this is Justin from techunfolding.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the memory and hard drive into your Zotac ZBOXHD. I've been promising this for a while, ever since I did the unboxing video probably a couple months ago, so yeah, I thought I'd get to it and just show you how to do it. I'm also going to show you how to turn off the blue LED light that shines right here around the Zotac logo, because I know, at least for me, I want as least amount of light being produced as possible from any kind of devices in my media cabinet. So the first step is to flip the device over, because this here is the side which gets removed, and you actually have to take these two thumb tacks off, which can be done by a screwdriver, or if they're just hand tight, take them off by hand. Alright, so the next step after you remove the thumb screws, is to take the cover off, and you simply do that just by putting your finger in the groove here, pulling back. It might make a few cracking sounds, but that's good. And we are now going to take a look at the inside of the Zotac ZBOXHD. So let's just show you where you're going to install your hard drive and your memory. So right here is your SATA 2 3 gigabit per second port that supports 2.5-inch hard drives, and here is your DDR2 slots, which supports dual channel DDR2 SO-DIMMs with a max capacity of 4 gigs, so 2 and 2 in each. And under here is your Intel Atom processor, and you can see all your other stuff, audio and all that, HDMI on this side and video. Alright, so that's it. So for installing your memory, you just need to basically look at the notches within the DDR2 slots. So I can see here that there's a little notch right there, which means the memory has to go into the slot like this. And because one is higher than the other, you have to install the bottom slot first. So that is simply you simply do this by going in on an angle, like so, into the slot. Might take a little fiddling around to get it in there. Once it's in like this, securely, without the pins showing at all, the gold pins showing at all here at the bottom, you're just going to push down until it snaps into place. There. So now that bottom one is in, now we're going to do the same procedure for the second one, so once again installing it on an angle like this into the slot. There we go, so the pins are not showing. And once in fully, push down on the memory. Just be aware that it does take a little bit of pressure, so don't worry. Once it snaps, you're good. And that's it. You have installed your DDR2 memory into the Zotac ZBOXHD. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to install the hard drive, the 2.5-inch hard drive, into this bay here. And we simply do that by first removing the thumbtack, which holds the hard drive down. So we have to open this up so that we can put the hard drive in. There we go. And now we're going to lift up this cover, and we are now going to install the hard drive into its bay. So this is simply done by getting the hard drive like this, and as you can see here, this is the 2.5-inch hard drive. We have, here is our SATA, and here is our power, and as you can see by the slot right there, that the SATA is on this side and the power is on this. So I'm basically going to be installing it down like this in like here. Turn this, get a better angle. So I'm going to be installing like this. You have to go down on an angle. pushing it into the slot, and then once in, pushing it down securely into the slot, and finally pushing down the support lever which holds the hard drive in bay, and then tightening the thumbtack screw, the thumb screw, into position so that we know that the hard drive is nicely secure. And this can be tightened with just the simple screwdriver. And that's it. Once that's insecure, you have successfully installed a 2.5-inch hard drive into your Zotac ZBOXHD. Alright, and finally I'm going to show you how to turn off the LED light on the front of the Zotac ZBox. And this can be done simply by removing this connection right here. I suggest you use a small slot screwdriver to do this, because pulling on these wires above might pull them out of the connector and will prevent you from then replugging it back into the slot in case you wanted LED lights ever again. So here we go. So I'm just simply going to insert it in like this. Push up. Once it's up high enough, you can just get your fingers in there and pull it out. And there you go. And what I like to do is neatly tuck it in the corner here so that I know it will not make contact with anything else on the board. And there we go. That is removing turning off the LED light on the Zotac ZBoXHD.